So first I'm going to start with the flatbread. I've already got some flour here that I put through my food processor. It still needs a little bit more water, but I'm going to start kneading it. And this is spelt flour. Now I'm going to clean up this nopal, removing the thorns. And I'm going to cut it up. I'm cutting up a little bit of okra. Then a red onion and these mini bell peppers. Some spring onion. Some grated ginger. Some fresh dill. A little bit of watercress. And some Portabello mushrooms. I'll put some parchment paper on top of this steaming rack, and then I'll place the veggies inside. I'll add a little bit of thyme to that. Now it goes into this pot with a little bit of boiling water at the bottom, just on a simmer. Just make sure that the water level is lower than the steamer. Now back to our flour. I'm going to roll out the flatbread real quick. And then I'm going to toast it. Now I've already strained off the excess water from the vegetables. I'll drizzle some extra virgin olive oil on it. Add some cayenne pepper. And some pink Himalayan salt. I've mixed my spices in well, and I'm gonna stuff this avocado. And I'm gonna pack up this fajita now.